Hey, how y'all doing today? You got Shirley looking at life through my lens as an optician with 30 years of experience. Today, I thought I would talk to you guys about contact lenses. Kind of give you the information you would kind of need if you were a beginner. Give you a starting point, if you will. So let's just get right into it. Okay, let's talk about daily versus monthly. Now, daily contact lenses, there are a variety of daily contact lenses, but basically the gist is you throw that lens away every day and you get a fresh one. Monthly lenses, you wear that same lens for 30 wears. You take it out of your eye every day. There's like maybe one that I know of that's approved for sleeping in it, but it's only approved for sleeping in it for 5 days. So I really suggest for the best health of your eyes that you take it out every night, but you can get 30 days of wear out of it. That would be the difference between daily and monthly. Now, there are also bi-weekly lenses, and you are taking those out every night as well. You don't sleep in those either. And you take them out and you get 14 days of wear out of them. Now, it's important that you follow this wearing schedule. It's that way for a reason. Your eyes will cause a buildup on the contacts. The contacts are made out of different materials, different oxygen, the amount of oxygen that can travel through the lens. So all of that takes into account as to how long you can wear it on your eye. So if that lens says it's a daily lens, don't try to wear it more than one day, okay? Because that's not going to be healthy for your eyes. All right, I got my notes here, so just bear with me because I don't want to forget anything. Okay, and as far as you being a beginner, I suggest the best lens is going to be a daily disposable. Okay, and the reason I feel that way is because that's going to be the healthiest option and the easiest for you to learn how to deal with, because you don't have to do much to it. Put it in your eye, take it out, throw it away. That's it. Okay, soft versus hard. So all of the lenses that I just mentioned are soft lenses. So that's how they come. Soft lenses are usually silicone based, and they all have different oxygen contents. They all have different moisture, hold a certain amount of moisture. They all come in different base curves and diameters. And they're silicone, so they're soft. Then you've got a hard lens, which is called an RGP. The RGP is a harder plastic. It's not flexible, and I'm going to show you what a soft lens looks like. I don't have a hard lens to show you, but I will show you what a soft lens looks like later on in this video. But the RGP is mostly for people with a great amount of astigmatism, or they have something called keratoconus, where this lens will help reshape their eye. You don't see hard lenses too often. Most of the time, if you see a hard lens, it's a older person who has been wearing a hard lens since they start wearing contacts, and they just don't want to change. The hard lenses are good for, the doctor recommends changing it every year, but they'll last longer than a year if you take care of them. You have to clean those. You can't sleep in them. There's an actual solution that has like a cleanser in it. Now, I was taught back in the day, like I came out of school in 1990. So the way I was taught for hard contact lenses, you use the cleanser to clean it, you rinse it with water, and then you soak it in the conditioning solution. It may be different now. Like I said, that was 30 years ago. That was a long time ago. More than 30 years ago, 40 years ago. So, almost 40 years. So yeah, that would be the difference between hard and soft. Okay, back when I was learning about contacts, there was actually a little, what do you call it? It was a little machine that you put it in, that you plugged in the wall. It like heated it up to kill the bacteria. They don't have that anymore. But I'm just saying that's how long I've been in this game. Okay, colored lenses, specialty lenses. To me, RGP is specialty, bifocal, multifocal lens, a toric lens. So a bifocal multifocal is going to help you see far away and up close, just like a pair of glasses would. Toric lenses are going to correct astigmatism. Now, if you there is a limit on how much astigmatism a contact lens can correct. So most of the time, if you have a lot of astigmatism, you can't wear lenses. You can't wear soft lenses anyway. They're limited in that way. Colored lenses, I only know of one company that makes a colored lens that will actually change the color of your eye. There's another option, but all it does is enhances your color. It doesn't change it. So when I show you lenses later in this video, I have colored lenses, so you'll get to see what they look like. Okay, so now I want to go over insertion and removal. First thing you want to do is wash your hands. So I got some soap here. I'm going to wash my hands right quick. In just a second. Okay. Now you want to make sure you get all the soap off your hands, because you don't want to get soap on the lens and then invertedly put it in your eye. Okay. Okay, so the lens that I have is a monthly lens, meaning I can get 30 days of wear out of it. This is a storage case. This side is marked with an L. So that's going to be the left side. I don't know how well you can see that L on there. There's an L on there. Sometimes they have an R on them. And then this side is the right eye. I was always taught everything in optometry is done right eye first. So that's just how I do things. So this has been soaking in the solution. This is a gray soft lens, and it's a monthly lens. I'm going to take that out of the case and hold it up like this. See that? It is nice and rounded like a bowl. When a contact lens is inside out, it's gonna look more flared like this, like a saucer, like an inverted bell. That's inside out. And then this is the right way. Okay, now the way I was taught, take this hand and hold your top lid, this one and hold your bottom lid, touch it to your eye, and that's how you put it in. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Now that does take practice. Okay, that takes practice. You're not going to be able to do it on the first try. Not gonna happen. Okay, that's just a fact. All your life you've been taught to keep things out of your eyes, so to put something in your eye is something you have to learn. Now once you learn it, you'll do it without thinking about it. Like I could put these in without a mirror, without looking at myself, and I can take them out just as well. So you're gonna take it out the same way you put it in. You're gonna open your lids, and then you're gonna pinch it between your two fingers like so. Now, to clean the soft lens, you're going to put it in the palm of your hand. A few drops of solution. You want to rub it around a little bit. And then you want to rinse it off really well. I don't know if you guys can see that. Rinse it off really well. And then you're going to take the lens, took it out of my hand. I'm going to put it in the case, and then I'm going to put enough solution in there to cover it so that it floats. It's not sticking to the edge of the case. This is the best way to put that back in the case, because if it sticks to these edges and you put the top on it, you're going to rip your lens, and then you can't wear it. Once it's ripped, it's toast. Okay, hold on a second, I dropped my top. Okay, and you put it in the case, and you can leave it in there overnight, but at least 6 hours for it to be clean and disinfected. Okay. So learning how to put that in and take it out, that just takes practice. You have to be calm and give yourself grace. There are videos on YouTube that different contact lenses companies have put out that you can watch before you go to the doctor, because the doctor is going to make you do a class, and you're not going to be able to take contacts home until you can prove that you can put them in and take them out of your eye. So I suggest beforehand, before you go to get that exam to get those contacts, that you look at some videos and practice touching your eye so that you'll be able to put it in and take it out. You want to avoid things like putting them in water. If you're new to this, you don't want to shower in them or swim in them because you're not used to them. You'll rinse them out and won't even know it. So the way that I showed you to clean them is important, that you clean them, because this is the health of your eye. You know, people take contact lenses lightly, but you can end up with ulcers and infections and all kind of things going on if you don't take care of your contact lenses correctly. Okay, you want to get a new case every 3 months. Okay, you don't want to keep using that same case. And this right here, I've just got some Kroger brand all-purpose solution. It's 1,000,001 different companies out there that make contact lens solution. Okay, you want to make sure it says multi-purpose. That way you know it's for cleaning and storing. You don't want to just get plain saline solution. That's not going to clean and disinfect them properly. Okay, so we talked about you're going to want to wash your hands. We talked about how to store the lenses, what not to do. You don't want to sleep in them either. Like I said, there's only one lens that I know of that's approved by the FDA for sleeping in. There may be other ones, but there's only one that I know of. And it's a lens that you shouldn't sleep in more than 5 days. So 5 days of sleeping in it, and then 2 days of not sleeping in it. But like I said, my advice is not to sleep in them, to take them out every night. It's up to you though. Don't use old solution. Once you've used the solution, dump it out, rinse your case out and let it air dry, and then start fresh. Okay. If you start to have any redness, pain, discomfort, irritation, take those contacts out and go and see your doctor. Okay, because those things shouldn't be happening. The most you should feel is like something is in your eye. And what happens is over time, your eye builds up a callus, and then you don't even feel it when your lid flicks across it. Other than that, there shouldn't be any pain, discomfort, or irritation. Okay, and that I'm talking about goes away fairly quickly, like in a week or so. You're not going to have that anymore. Okay, some frequently asked questions from beginners. Can I wear makeup? Yes, you can wear makeup. What I suggest you do is put your contacts in and then do your makeup. Okay? The reason I say that is because you don't want to get makeup on your contacts, because if you do, it's over with. It's, majority of it, it's not going to come off. It's only going to make the lenses uncomfortable. So I would say, you can wear it, but you've got to be diligent about how you care for your lenses. So you would have to put that contact lens in first in your eye and then put your makeup on. That way no makeup gets on the lens. How long can I wear my contact lenses is another question. It's all about the type of contact, the brand, and what it's approved for. So whatever your doctor tells you, that's the directions you should follow. Monthly lenses are 30 wears. 2-week lenses are 14 wears. Daily lenses, every day you toss it out, you get a fresh one. That's the guideline you should follow. Now, when you first start wearing lenses, you're put on a wearing schedule so that your eyes can get used to them. So you have your class with your doctor and their tech in their office. They say, okay, here's some trials for you to take home and try. The first day, you're going to leave those lenses in for only 4 hours, and then you're going to take them out. The next day, you're going to increase it by 1 to 2 hours. So 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, up to 12 hours. You don't want them in your eyes more than 12 hours, especially in the beginning. This way, your eye gets used to it, and you're gradually getting your eye used to it. It's just not like, bam, here you go, I'm gonna keep these in my eyes for 12 hours. That's not gonna be good. Your body has to get used to it. So if your doctor gives you that wearing schedule, which most will, I haven't worked with a doctor that doesn't, I would say you should follow their advice and stick to it. Okay, if you do something like drop your lenses, let's talk about that. Here in my bathroom, if I drop my lenses, I'm going to clean it off and still use it. Now, this is me. This is what I do. You can ask your doctor about what you should do, but this is what I do. Now, if I was out in public, if I was in a public restroom, if I was somewhere in a restaurant, if I was just in the mall, wherever, and my lens hits the ground, I'm not putting it back in my eye. This is me. This is what I would do. But here at home, if I drop it on the counter or on the floor, I'm going to pick it up, clean it, and put it back in my eye. I'm not going to throw it away. But if I'm out in public, yeah, I'm not putting that back in my eye. Okay? All right. So like I said, you should probably consult with your doctor. This video is just for educational purposes, for informational purposes. But if you truly want to know about contact lenses, how they work and what you should do and what you shouldn't do, I totally advise you to speak with your own optometrist or ophthalmologist. Okay? That is all that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this information. I hope that you learned something. If you will share with others, if you'll just give a simple like or comment. Comment down below if you have contacts or not and what kind they are. Okay? Okay, I'm going to be doing many more videos. I'm going to start a playlist for contact lenses. So I'll do more videos about contacts. So stay tuned. There are other videos you should watch that talk about glasses, because even if you're a contact lens wearer, you need to have some glasses. Okay, guys, until next time, bye.